Aloha everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Join me on this channel as I talk about all I've learned in my journey as an investor and how I was able to retire from working a 9-to-5 job at age 30. In a past video, we've gone over what to invest in when you're just starting out with an account under $1,000. But what happens when you pass that $1,000 mark?
What am I supposed to do?
There are lots of stocks and ETFs to choose from, and you can easily be overwhelmed. To continue to successfully grow my account to $2,000, I'm going to show you the ETF I added to my portfolio to reach that goal. If you want to follow the growth of this portfolio from the very beginning, click the link above. The ETF I'm talking about is Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, or SCHG. Just like VOO and QQQ, SCHG is a popular ETF.
Popular. I know about popular.
How do I know about popular? Morningstar. Morningstar is an investment research company that compiles and analyzes stock market related information that can help investors make the best informed decisions regarding their investments. There is both a free and paid version of their website. In the beginning of my investment journey, I started with the free version, but as time went on, I found myself often coming back to Morningstar's website for extra information about certain stocks and ETFs. So now I have the paid version, but to each their own. On Morningstar's homepage, use the search bar to look up SCHG. Today, I'll be using the free version to simply show you that indeed, SCHG is a 5-star ETF on Morningstar and has been in the top 25% of funds for the past 10 years, which is a very difficult thing to do. Now that you know SCHG is the real deal, let's dive even deeper. Head to Charles Schwab's website and look for the search bar in the top right-hand corner. Use the search bar to look up SCHG and click on the first result that pops up. Taking a look at SCHG's fact sheet on Charles Schwab's website, this ETF has a low expense ratio of 0.04%. Remember, a low expense ratio equals lower fees, which means more money in your pocket. If you scroll down to yields, you'll see that SCHG indeed gives out dividends quarterly with a distribution rate of 0.42%. Who doesn't love dividends? So what's the main difference between the previous ETFs I've invested in, VOO and QQQ, versus SCHG? The difference is SCHG's diversified holdings. At first glance, this ETF seems like it generally has less exposure. This fund currently holds 231 investments, which is less than VOO at just over 500 investments, but more than QQQ, which currently holds 101 investments. But unlike VOO and QQQ that follow the main indexes exclusively, SCHG generally tracks a different type of index called the Dow Jones US Large Cap Growth Total Stock Market Index, which tracks the performance of large capital US equity securities totaling up to more than 700 constituents or investments. Investing in SCHG will diversify your portfolio that much more. If you take a look at the sector analysis section, SCHG Holdings is almost 50% invested into the information technology sector, which is just behind that of QQQ's holdings in the IT sector. This is important to know because this makes QQQ and SCHG more volatile, especially if the technology sector is either impacted positively or negatively. With the large losses of investing in the technology sector comes equally large gains to your portfolio. At the end of the day, we all want our portfolio to grow. Now that we've learned a little more about SCHG, let's head back to my Robinhood account to adjust my portfolio so we can start investing in SCHG. Log in and use the search bar to look up SCHG. On SCHG's investing page, shown is its current price and chart. Besides what I've shared previously, something I really like about SCHG is its affordable price being less than $30. And apart from this ETF's affordable price, it has shown constant, significant growth. If you click on the 1-year time frame, you can see that SCHG has grown over 40% in the past year. In the past 5 years, SCHG has grown over 150%. It's no wonder SCHG is a 5-star fund.
5 stars.
Let's start investing so we can all gain that growth too. Go to the right-hand side of the page and enter the amount you want to purchase. I'm going to start off by purchasing $200 worth of SCHG. The reason being is simply because I can afford to right now. And while the overall price is affordable, and after looking at the chart, I know SCHG is going to grow. I'm going to buy as much as I can since the price is so low. Next, I'm going to adjust my recurring investments to include SCHG. Click on the Account tab on the top right of your screen. Then click the Recurring sub-tab. This should bring you to the page where you can manage your recurring investments. Currently, I have $25 in QQQ and $25 in VOO that I'm investing daily for a total of $50 per day. I'm going to go ahead and keep that budget of $50 daily. Keep in mind you can always adjust your budget to fit your needs or goals for your portfolio. Now that I'm adding SCHG to my portfolio, let's adjust my investments. I'm going to take $5 from each ETF and invest it into SCHG. $20 will now go to VOO and QQQ, and $10 will go to SCHG. However, change the recurring investments to whatever you're comfortable with and within your means. To change your recurring investments, click on the one you'd like to adjust. Let's use QQQ as an example. Scroll down and click Edit Investment. Change $25 to $20. Click Review and click Save Changes. Let's do the same for VOO. Click VOO, scroll down and click Edit Investment. Change $25 to $20. Click Review and click Save Changes. Now, I'm going to create a new recurring investment. If you remember how to do so from my previous videos, then you can skip ahead. But for those who are new here, and for those who need a refresher, here's how to do so. Click Create Recurring Investment. In the search bar, type SCHG and click on it. In the amount box, add how much you'd like to invest. I'm going to invest $10 daily for this ETF. For the frequency option, I'm going to change it to every market day. Under the payment section, I'm going to select where I want the money for this investment to come from. Then when you're satisfied, click Review and then click Submit. This is all you have to do to add SCHG to your portfolio while keeping your same investing budget. Now my portfolio has exposure to S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, and large cap investments. The addition of SCHG is diversifying my portfolio at an affordable price, paying me dividends quarterly, and is continuing to grow my portfolio as a whole.
Spectacular.
What more could I ask for? My goal to reach $2,000 by the end of November is just around the corner, but keep an eye out for an update to how I'll get my portfolio to $3,000. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section. Mahalo for coming on this journey with me. I hope it encourages you to start or continue your investing journey. As always, mahalo for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to learn more. Until next time, bye-bye.